Hey guys, so today we'll be replacing the xenon bulbs for LED ones on my wife's Volvo S60. So what I found out is that the xenon bulbs were not that bright anymore, they were kind of dim, and instead of replacing them for the xenon bulbs, I decided I will try to use LEDs. Now let me show you what I ordered and what I did so far.
These are the LED bulbs I decided to buy for this, and I choose these particular ones because they have 3 heat pipes, so they should be able to remove the heat from LED chips much quicker. However, what I didn't realize is that the additional heat pipes will make the casing twice as thick, and that could create some shade inside the projector. I also have these ones with single heat pipe, and here nothing is really blocking the light. However, these are D1S and Volvo requires D3S bulbs. I don't know if this shade will make any visible difference, but I decided to sand down the edge of this LED casing just to eliminate the shade as much as possible.
Okay, so sanding down the edges on those LEDs probably not going to make a big difference, but it took me just about 5 minutes, so I think it was worth it. So let's now reinstall the LEDs and test now first one side, and then we will reinstall the other side.
Now, bulb replacement on this Volvo must be seriously the easiest I've ever seen on any car. Nothing that I've seen comes even close. You can remove the whole headlight by simply pulling out 2 plastic pins, and then it just wiggles out. You do need a Torx 20 screwdriver to remove the back cover, but then you just unplug the old bulb and install the new one. The whole process of replacing the bulb takes less than 3 minutes. So here is the LED light pattern, and here is a bit less visible xenon light pattern. I don't think I need to tell you which one is the LED on this shot, and in real life the difference was even more noticeable. I wanted to compare if there is any difference between the LEDs which I sanded down versus the original, so I marked the headlight pattern of modified LED. And here is a shot with the original LED. There is some difference of the shadow being a bit bigger, but I couldn't see any difference on the garage door. You can see, however, that with high beams the xenon bulbs are essentially not visible anymore. So I've sanded down the other LED and again removed the headlight just by pulling 2 pins, unscrewing the cover, replacing the bulb and putting it all back together. And here is the final shot of both LEDs installed. You can see that even through the high beams on, the LEDs are still nicely visible.
Okay guys, the LEDs are installed. It was really simple on these Volvo headlights, but even if it would be more difficult, I still recommend doing this because the light output difference is huge. I can't really show it properly on camera because the camera is not really making it justice, but try it for yourself. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, hope this helps you, and see you in the next one.